Pablo, this cycle between growth and positive inflows into emerging markets, what derails it?
Well, I think that there's two things. There's two things that actually get into flows into emerging markets. The growth differential. I don't think that we're going to see a derailment of that differential. I think that emerging markets will continue to grow much faster and accelerate much faster than the developed markets. What can derail that will be a sudden tightening in global financial conditions. And this is something that we're focusing on. This movement to 3% per se doesn't mean that much. The question whether it continues to be sustained. The other thing that can derail that will be a drop in commodity prices, but we're seeing exactly the opposite. We're seeing actually oil firming up. We're seeing actually other commodities in general being well behaved. And let me add a third factor, given that we're here, is the pace of China monetary tightening. We have seen a little bit of deceleration in China growth, but that has been leading to some easing on China financial conditions. We will see how the Chinese think that they will continue to monitor this idea of deleveraging of the economy together with maintaining high growth.
Pablo, what markets, what strategies are you favoring right now?
Well, I mean, I think for the whole year, we continue to like the local markets. We continue to see that currencies should weather this momentum and continue to perform well. The carry in emerging markets, local space is a little bit higher than in the developed markets. We'll continue to see Treasury rates gradually moving higher. We like actually more short duration kind of strategies. Corporate debt in emerging market could do the trick of being a little bit more short duration with a little bit of a higher yield if you want dollar debt. But I think that this whole asset allocation situation is more in a pause right now, trying to understand whether we're going to have more impact of higher rates into the dollar, or we're going to go back to the kind of like bearish trade for the dollar overall.